Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So Uteli Malinga, who is known as Osara from Generations and her most recent popular character on Umkhokha, decided to do this video where she basically exposes the entertainment industry. And according to Osara, there are no job or no stable jobs at all in the entertainment industry. Now she stated that she has been working on a contract basis for quite some time. She did not have any stable job, she revolts, and she says that her biggest contract before everything is actually the current rule that she has on Umkhokha. She said that during her 35 years in the acting industry, she has never gotten a stable job or a biggest contract. She says that this industry is very tainted. It's a dark. You guys, please do check out this video.
And I've been acting all my life. Ngithole 3 days lapha, ngithole 5 days lapha, ngithole the longest contract engaba nayo kwaba is May, June, July, August, September, October. Yeah, kwaba is 6 months. Yaba from May to October. That was the biggest contract engake ngaba nayo, and that was Generations a long time ago. I was a call act. Yini call act? A call actor umuntu who gets paid according to the number of days abizwe ngawo uzoshoot. I always survived. Bengiloke ngiphila as an actor. Nebona ukuthi kunzima kanjani? Bengiqala ngomkhokha ukuthola i-contract, ngashuthi i-first season, ngashuthi i-second season. And the drama series esayishootha every 2 months. Eyidlala every Sunday ngo8:30 ekuyona eyasenza ukuthi Umkhokha sithole ibe talent.